Wearing trainers in my working day has made a massive difference. I was used to being on my feet all day, every day, working so many thousands of steps. And then I suddenly got a desk job. But now, being given the permission to wear trainers to work or wear comfortable shoes to work makes such a difference for how we feel we can get up and about and on our feet again.
Wearing trainers has allowed me to be much more comfortable on my long walks to and from work, and I feel more comfortable to take walks at lunchtime as well. Frankly, the more comfortable you are at work, the better really.
The difference has been huge that wearing trainers has made to my day. It makes me feel more bouncy, more energised throughout the course of the day, and it means that if I get a moment, I can just go for a walk. If my colleagues would like to take a walking meeting with me, then we can go out for a walk and just have a little stroll around rather than sitting at a desk all the time.
You're more inclined to be outside and in the sunshine and able to just move around. So I think just being in something comfortable just makes you happier anyway.
It's just so much better for mine and my team's ability to get things done. And everyone's so much more comfortable.
I mean, I still get a few funny looks when I'm walking around the office because I like to wear a suit with my trainers, but I think that I'm leading the way in terms of setting that direction and making sure that every day can be an active day. I'd certainly encourage people to be part of the Active Souls movement. It's made a big difference in our organisation.
I would really encourage other organisations to be part of Active Souls. It has made so much difference to staff well-being, our productivity, allowing people to be themselves. And if you allow people to be themselves and you're going to get the best out of them, they're going to be more productive and they're going to want to come and work for you. So I would definitely recommend that organisations join Active Souls.